Hi guys, let's see today's problem. Five books containing 300 pages, 400 pages, 500 pages, 600 pages, and 700 pages are stacked one above the other. The books have violet, indigo, green, yellow, and red covers, not necessarily in that order, and they belong to Raghav, Rohan, Ritesh, Rishit, and Rakesh, not necessarily in that order. We have some additional points. The questions are: who has the book with the yellow cover? Who has the book containing 700 pages? What is the color of the cover of Rohan's book? If both the indigo and violet covered books had at least two books underneath them, then which of the following must be true? Okay, let's start. This has a lot of variables where we'll have to match the person with the cover page, the color of the cover page, and also the page numbers, and then arrange them according to how they are stacked. Let's see. So all the five people have their names starting from R. So just for safety, I'll write their full name. Raghav, Rohan, Ritesh, Rishit, and Rakesh. There are 300, 400, 500, 600, and 700 pages. And the colors are violet, indigo, green, yellow, and red. Okay. And we also know that they are stacked as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here I'll write the color, here I'll write the page and the person. The bottommost book contains 400 pages. Okay. There is at least one book on top of and underneath Rohan's book. So this would look like this. Just mentioning it over here. Rishit's book contains 500 pages. So Rishit has 500 pages. The violet covered book has 300 pages. Violet covered book 300. Ritesh's book has indigo colored cover and contains 600 pages. Rakesh's book does not have a red cover, no red, and only one person has a book with fewer pages than Rakesh's book, which means that Rakesh's book has 400 pages, right? So if it's not 300, then violet is also not possible here. The only possibility is green, yellow, or red. Sorry, red is also not a possibility. So this could be green or yellow. The topmost book has a green cover and has the maximum number of pages. Maximum number of pages is 700. So this will have green color, which means green is not this. Yellow is done. Now this leaves us with Rishit. Rishit cannot have violet because violet is the cover of the book with 300 pages. He cannot have green, which means he gets red. Now, using this, Rohan. One person has to be above Rohan, one person has to be below Rohan. We know that. And Raghav and Rohan, they could either be 300 violet or 700 green. But we know that Rohan, this person cannot be Rohan. Hence, Rohan will be somebody who has a book of 300 pages with violet color, which leaves us with Raghav with 700 pages and green color. So Raghav is over here, Rakesh is here, Rohan is somewhere in the middle because one person has to be above him, one person has to be below him. Rohan could also be over here. There are two possibilities for Rohan. And at the same time, Rohan could also be here. Sorry, so there are three possibilities for Rohan. 400 is yellow. Okay, we don't know the placement of the other three people. Nonetheless, let's see if we can answer the questions with this information. Who has the book with yellow cover? It's Rakesh. Who has the book containing 700 pages? We know it's Raghav. What is the color of the cover of Rohan's book? Rohan is violet. Now, if both the indigo and violet covered books had at least two books underneath them, then which of the following must be true? We know that Rohan is violet and Ritesh is indigo. If both of these had at least two books, it could be two or more. I'll start with the minimum one, which means that violet or indigo have to be over here, violet or indigo. If I place violet or indigo at position number 2, there will be 3 books underneath them. And if I place violet or indigo at 3, there will be 2 books underneath. So 2 and 3 is possible for violet and indigo, which leaves us with 4th position as red. Okay, let's see. Which of the following must be true? Rohan's book is second from the top. Could be possible, but not must, because it could also be third. The red covered book is fourth from the top, for sure. This is the right answer. I'm just reading the other options. The book with 600 pages is the middle one. Who has 600? That is Ritesh, who has indigo. Again, indigo could be at number 2 or number 3. So it could either be in the middle, that is number 3, or at number 2. So this is not a must true, it is probably true. Rishit's book is second from the top. No, Rishit's book cannot be second from the top because Rishit's book is red and we know that the red book is placed at position number 4. Okay, let's check our answers. 4, 2, 3 and 2. 4, 2, 3 and 2. Great. So I know there were lots of variables, but I think this was a pretty easy sum. So look out for these kind of sums. All the best. See you tomorrow.